All right, what's up, people? Quick update. I'm I've been knocking this trail out, but y'all can see, man, I had the shop all crazy out here, and I'm getting ready to start painting. But let me give y'all a quick update, man. I'm trying to hurry up, but she is back together. I tore out all the walls and insulated them, and I had put everything back. I'm taping off the floor because I'm getting ready to paint the walls. I put a ceiling up. See that? And plywood ceiling up, and I insulated the ceiling. Now remember, it was a skylight, I think around here somewhere. Yeah, it was like a skylight around here. I took that out because I don't care about the light. You know what I mean? I just wanted to really insulate it. So I took the skylight out, but the thing is completely insulated. Wall, ceiling, everything. It's nicely insulated up. And let me tell y'all something, right? Name of this trailer, who makes this trailer, is called Quality Trailers, and it's quality my ass. This thing, the roof is not even square. Like, from the joist is like 16 on center. So if I measure from, like, let's say here to here, let's say it's 20 inches. This side was like 21 and a quarter. I was like, yo, it was really difficult with this ceiling. So I do like diagonal cuts. It was just crazy, but I got it together. But man, it damn sure ain't no quality. I'll tell you that. I'm tell you this joint here. Let me show you this. This is a great table saw. This Cobalt. I had this for years. This thing great. Folds up, wheels, rolls out. Never a problem. Great. This the installation I used. Hold on, move my T-square there, baby. All right. I don't have a full piece of it, but this is stuff I used. And I wanted the one with the aluminum foil on the side. This one had it on both. Pay a little more for this because they ain't had the one I wanted to get that was a little cheaper, but it's like $22 a sheet. But I said, I was in there, Home Depot. But this is pretty good stuff. It got a really high R value, so I mean, get what you pay for, I guess. But yeah, it got the aluminum on both sides. Foam. It's good. Cuts easy. No problems. Good to go. Oh, here's a bigger piece. This is what I used to cut the ceiling out. Y'all see the V, right? Because I had to do the nose. But hold on. Yeah, maybe y'all can see that there. R-Max. Whatever that is. But it's good. I got to clean this place up. I got some engines sitting here. Got some more mold specials. So I got to take these apart, clean them up, fix them for them. I think this one got a bad front bearing. And I'm going to take this one apart, show y'all this. This that Virtus, Nova Rossi Virtus, 0.21. So take this part, look at it, see what's going on with it. Some more mold specials. But yeah, people, so I'm trying to get this together because it's supposed to be a race down G's this Saturday. Whatever this Saturday is, the 9th. But it's sold out. But people, he is racing the 10th, but it's very limited to like 30 people. The 10th is Mother's Day. I'm out on that one. I can't do nothing on that one. But if you rocking on Mother's Day, he is racing May 10th. That's Sunday. You can go up there and race, but you gotta hit him up on PayPal and pay. You know what I mean, and do your thing from there. And it's called HQ RC Raceway. I'm gonna put the name in this joint because I know I'm messing the name up, but I'm gonna put the name in it. That's what you look for on Facebook, and then you send me a message and pay through that if you want to race Sunday. But he is opening back up. They let him open up, but it's very limited. All right, I think it's HQ RC Raceway, something like that. I'm gonna put the name in here. All right, and it's gonna flash on the screen, and y'all can do y'all thing from there. But the trail is coming out good. Okay. So let me give y'all a little bit of update. All right. So I appreciate y'all with the feedback majorly. Yo, y'all came through in strides all day. So a lot of y'all said with the air conditioner, the portable air conditioners. So I said, okay. So I did a lot of research into them. And it seemed like the double hose, the 2 hose ones is better. The single hose, they said it increases negative pressure inside. Blah, blah, blah. Don't cool that great or something like that. The dual hose, they said is better. So I'm gonna look at a dual hose one. So that's probably gonna be the one I'm gonna get. I really wanted to go with a mini split, but I don't have enough room. Let me see if I can show you the front. I don't have enough room on this joint because I seen them. If you know about the mini splits, one part is outside. See, right here, I don't have enough room for the fan part, condenser or whatever that goes outside. I don't have enough room there. This is only like 9 inches from here to here. And the other thing is like 12 for the mini split. But the mini split would have been great. But I don't have enough room for that. So I'm gonna have to do, I ain't doing the window unit. You know what I mean? I'm not even gonna do the wall. I'm not even doing the wall. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hang the freezer strips down here. Boom. So that way I can get sunlight in here and it'll keep the air in. And then if it's really hot, the hell with it, I shut the door and that's a wrap. You know what I mean? But I don't want to do the wall. The wall gonna take up too much space. But anyway, so okay, so listen. So with the portable joint, I really don't want to put holes in the side of the walls and the side of the trailer. I already got to put a hole for the outlet for the power, and the breaker box is gonna go right there. All right, but I don't want to put holes. So what I was thinking, I'm gonna put 2 holes right here. Boom, boom, for the hoses. And the unit might sit here, maybe, or maybe it'll sit here. But wherever it sits, it stays. You know what I mean? So with the portable, that's the only thing with them 2 hoses. I seen one dude put a hole in his door and put one on the side, but that was stupid. Because every time he had to open the door, the damn hose, you had to crinkle it out. I was like, why would you do that? But I ain't doing that. But so it's either going to sit here, right? Maybe, or up in the nose. And it'll be underneath the table that's going to go here. There's going to be a table right there. You know what I mean? So we'll see how that works out. But I'm definitely going with the portable. So I appreciate that, you know what I mean, the info, the heads up. And y'all really came through. Like, y'all gave me a lot of information, which was what's up. Let me see. Oh, also. Oh, yeah, okay. This is what I want to ask y'all. Another question. Floor, right? Now, I was going to do the truck bed liner. But here's the problem, right? I'm thinking. Now, the walls is insulated. Roof insulated. Everything insulated. Except if anything's going to be the weak spot, it's going to be the floor. Meaning if the air does leak or whatever the case or whatever, it'll go through the floor. Because all this is 3/4 inch plywood. That's it. So one, I was thinking of just, what if I just throw some laminate flooring down, some cheap laminate floor that got the pad underneath. Lay down the pad or come with the pad underneath. Boom, laminate floor real quick. Or I could paint it and say the hell with it. Heat travels up. I don't know. So let me know what y'all working with. The door, that's insulated. So I'm not worrying about it leaking through the door. The only spot, I'm telling you, if it does leak, and now that's a big if, it's going to be through the floor. So I don't know. I might just grab some quick laminate, something real cheap. You know what I mean? Nothing really crazy. And I don't need much. You see, I don't need much. You know, but I do like the garage paint joint, the bed liner. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. So hit me up. Let me know what y'all think. Should I just do the laminate floor or just paint it? This got to get painted. There's nothing I can do about that. But I insulated that too. I took that off, insulated all in there too. So if anything, gonna be the weak spot. All right, good people. So I just was trying to give y'all a quick update. Your man I'm moving along. I'm trying to get this together, baby, man. I've been watching y'all videos. I ain't had time to really comment because I got to keep pushing, you know what I mean? Like now, I just got to work. I got to get my behind in bed soon. That's the paint I'm using. Semi-gloss white. I don't know, something quick and easy. Picked up from Lowe's. I'm gonna paint the ceiling and the walls, everything white. That way I got good reflection in there. You know what I mean? Boom. And that's it, man. I was trying to give y'all some updates, show y'all some pictures, but I had to keep moving. Oh, also, the cracks that was in there are filled up with this. You know, with the Great Stuff foam that's always messy as hell. So she's all insulated and good to go. All right, people. Let me get up out of here. Let me get started because it might be a little too cold to paint, but we're gonna see. It's like 52 degrees, but hey, we got to get her done, right? All right, people. So this your man, Rod J111. I'm coming, baby. I'm coming. All right. I'll see y'all. Peace.